Hello everyone, it's SpawnPoint and welcome back to another video. And today I'm doing a very quick unboxing of the new purple iPhone 12. Now this will probably be my shortest video on this channel, but I just had to show you this. So if you saw the Apple event last week, they announced a few new things, including the new colourful iMacs, the Apple AirTags, as well as this iPhone. Now this iPhone is not a Pro model, it's a normal 12, and that means the box that it comes in is white instead of black, just like the other iPhone 12s. But let's take a look inside and see what it comes with. So like every other iPhone we've got this year, we've got the phone, we've got a USB-C to lightning cable, we've got a SIM card needle as well as the stickers. And again, there's no charger in the box, so if you're familiar with the iPhone 12s this year, we get no charger brick at all, and that's everything that we get. So here it is, this is the new colour for the iPhone 12. Now I have seen a purple iPhone 11 before, as my wife used to have that, but this purple on the iPhone 12 is a lot more saturated. It's not vivid, but it's definitely more purple than I was expecting. It's actually a really nice colour though, this look and feels really nice, I like this a lot. Now I'm not sure if you can see this, but if I angle it slightly, can you see the colour here? I mean it's clearly purple, and do you know what, actually on camera it doesn't show off the colour quite as well as it does in real life. But what do you think? What do you think to the purple this year? And here it is compared to my wife's iPhone 12 Pro in the Pacific Blue. So it's obviously a similar size, and it gives you an idea then of the colour intensity, because the blue one is very blue, and this gives you an idea of the saturation of the purple one. So we've got the aluminium band that goes around the edge of the phone, as obviously this year with the iPhone 12s, we've got that kind of nice sharp edge look to it. Now I really like the look and feel of this phone, it looks nice. You can tell here on the band itself, so it's clearly purple, as you can see, but it's got a kind of a nice matte finish to it, so it's not shiny like we get on the Pro model. So this is nice. This definitely won't show up the fingerprints as easy. Well, you might be wondering why I've got this phone. Why do I need another iPhone? Will this replace my iPhone 12 Pro Max? Well, it won't, but it will be acting as a second camera for my channel. So as you know, I shoot all the videos on this channel with my iPhone 12 Pro Max, but there are situations where I could really do with a second camera. I could do with another kind of point of view, whether that's a flat lay or whether that's just a different angle. And instead of unplugging my phone and moving it or moving the tripod, it means I can have two phones and two tripods recorded from different angles. So this new colour is only available on the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 mini. It's not available on the Pro models, but that's nothing new, as the same applies to the other colours in the range as well. Now I've not got it here, but they have also released a new MagSafe case available in purple. But what I do have is the California Poppy case here, and this is the leather. So this is a really nice vibrant contrast to the purple phone. It's got a nice kind of feel on the inside, it's like a fabric texture. That will obviously protect the phone as well. But let's get this on the phone and take a look, just to see how that, wow. I mean, this isn't a colour that I would usually go for. It's definitely not something that I would choose. This is really, I mean the contrast, this is really vibrant, damn. Now, I mentioned before that the iPhone doesn't come with a power brick, so you'll either need to buy one or use an old one that you might already have. But to charge it, I'm actually using MagSafe Chargers. So they are magnetic on one end, they attach it to the phone, and then you've got a USB-C cable on the other side. Now, just like with the other iPhone 12s, you just attach it to the back of the phone, and it clicks into place. You can see here just how easy it is. Now, I didn't think I would like or even use these when they announced it last year, but now I've got 3 or 4 of these around the house. And you know what? The convenience of using a MagSafe charger over, say, a wireless charger or a normal cable is so much easier, because it obviously means I can charge the phone and unplug it and plug it a lot easier than a normal cable. Well, you might also be interested in the iPhone 12 specs. So here's a very quick rundown, but just so you know, it's no different to the normal 12 models that were released last year. So it's got an OLED screen and it measures 6.1 inches, and this means it's viewable from practically any angle. It's also got the same screen as the Pro models. You've got 2 lenses, including the ultra-wide and the wide, and both lenses also have night mode now. It supports 5G, HDR, 4K and wireless charging. Now compared to the Pro model, you're kind of just missing the telephoto lens, which other than in portrait mode is not something I actually use. But if you want to know more about the iPhone 12 Pro or the 12 Pro Max, I actually created 2 dedicated videos about those last year when they first came out, so you can click that at the top of the video now. So that was a quick look at the kind of new iPhone 12, if you can call it that. But what do you think? Is this a colour that you would pick up for yourself or for someone else? Or if you've already got an iPhone 12, do you wish this colour was available at the time? Well, you've just made it to the end of this video, so thank you for watching. If you drop a purple iPhone 12 in the comments, I will give you a thumbs up, as I know you're still here supporting me. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on so you don't miss my next upload. And I just want to say a massive thank you to the 100,000 subscribers that are with me today. Because, to be honest, I started this channel about 18 months ago or so, and I never dreamed that I would have this many subscribers on my channel. So, for those that are watching, I really appreciate it, I really do. and you can also follow me over on Instagram and Twitter. Until next time.